we are at 75th Street. This is a house that we acquired, many months ago. It was last year, I believe. This is one that we, once we got this, there really wasn't a lot of work to do here outside of paint, do some floors, clean it up. This was a great house that was completely rehabbed right before we got it. There was one owner in between. So the roof was done, the windows were done, painting was done, granite, new cabinets. All of these things were actually done before us. And so when we acquired this, it was a little higher price range that we got into, but knowing the equity in it, we could turn it around quickly. So this was a great space, as you can see, very unique house. We've got a little sunroom out here that the tenants enjoyed, and for the future here, it's got a bunch of windows in it. Nice little space for, you know, a den or an office. And as you can see here, living room, we've got all the original woodwork intact, and kitchen with new cabinets, new granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Everything, again, this was all done before us. So we basically took a really bad situation from a distressed seller who had to get out of that situation rather quickly. It was done within the month. And so we came in and provided a solution to basically pay off that existing mortgage and get her out of here and get her into a different place in life. So great fireplace. I believe we painted the brick here. It's got the granite here, but just a great space. We did do new floors, carpet, and LVP, but just a fantastic living space, and it's a big house. You see, we stage everything in the end, and that's important to us. It's important for buyers to see this, that we feel still, and our houses do sell rather quickly with that staging. Sometimes they're only staged for a week or two, but it does provide for great pictures and allows people to kind of see how the space can be used. A great creative deal in the end. Number one, solving this problem on the front end with the seller's problems here with the house, solving the problem of having these tenants, a group of tenants having a place to go. And in the meantime, not only do we get this in the same capacity that we originally intended to sell this retail as a flip, but now we picked up a 4-unit in between with a long-term lease agreement that makes a lot of sense. So, all right, on to the next.